Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Holbrook. I want you to think back to how Fred and Lucy came up with a name for McDuff. Do you remember that part? Think about it. Tell me about it. Okay, now your job today is to think, have you ever come up with a name for anything? Maybe a pet or a toy, a doll, a car? What have you ever come up with a name for? I want you to think of something and then get a piece of paper and draw a picture of what you came up with and named and write the name on the top. And then you'll be ready to tell your teacher in your class about it. Here's my example. This is Billy the cat. Here's my picture and here's his name at the top. There's a stray cat in my neighborhood. We don't know who it belongs to, but he goes to all of the houses. And every time he came to our house, my little boy, my son, would keep saying, "Oh, he's so silly. He's a silly cat." And then my daughter said, "Silly Billy," because she likes to rhyme. So now it just stuck, and we call him Billy the cat. That's the story of how we came up with a name. If you've never come up with a name for anything, now's your time to do it. Find something around your apartment or house, or look out the window. I see a goose out there. I'm going to name that goose maybe Greg the Goose because it both starts with G. Have fun with this. I can't wait to see what you come up with.